Hey, it's Snacks and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be replacing the PCIe power cable of the GPU, and along the way I'm going to be answering some of the questions that you guys had for Kratos. So let's get right to it. A couple of you guys asked how I did the cover for the SSD with Kratos' name on it. And for this guy, the only thing that I really did was create the cover. So Seagate came out with these special edition Star Wars SSDs, and if you're a fan of Star Wars, you would have heard about this. But anyway, okay, wait, so story time. So when I first heard about this, I wanted to get them for a personal build. I didn't have a computer that was remotely Star Wars themed, but I was thinking, oh my goodness, I should make a Star Wars themed PC. But even before that, I just wanted to get them because I'm such a huge fan of Star Wars. I've watched all of them, 1 to 6. I've watched 7 to 9, I guess, but I don't like them. And I have watched all of the series, Rebels, Ahsoka, Clone Wars. Oh my goodness, you guys have to watch Clone Wars. But anyway, so the SSD has an LED on it, and then you have different covers that you can choose from. And as you can see, these are lightsabers. So depending on what color you choose for your SSD, it's gonna show up. When I got these, I was actually in the middle of creating Kratos already. And then I just had a light bulb idea of, why don't I try making my own cover that's God of War themed? And that's how I came up with the cover with Kratos' name on it. So basically, in the build, it's the special edition Seagate Star Wars SSD with a custom-built Kratos cover. Bye, Snackson. A lot of you guys also asked about these guys right over here, which is the magnetic covers for the water block. They cover the screws of the water block. So I use a laser cutter to cut the shape, and then I attach the magnet on the back so that it would be magnetic. And for the saying, be better, I laser engraved that. Now, some of you guys are asking, how did I manage to get that dark contrast to make it look like the actual EK products or the EK cover? And that's because I used this boy right here. So what's cool about this is that it looks like it's metal on the outside, but after you engrave a certain distance from the surface, it has black. It can be black right here. If you guys are interested in getting one for yourself, leave a comment down below and I'll let you guys know the shop that I bought it from. So now the rest of the questions were about the symbols and the meaning behind them, and I was able to answer those questions already over at my main channel, but I might just include that here as well before we get started with replacing the PCIe power cable. This symbol right here. Now, OG God of War fans know what this symbol is. Now, this is from the Greek mythology era of God of War. This is part of the Greek alphabet, and it's actually the 11th symbol in the Greek alphabet. It represents Lambda, and Lambda actually represents Laconia, which is an area in ancient Greece where Sparta was in. So in a way, this symbolizes where Kratos came from, or his home. So the name of his first wife is Lysandra, and the name of his first child or his first daughter is Calliope. What happened to them did shape up Kratos' life, personality. It really added depths and layers to his character. So I imprinted the name of Lysandra and Calliope on the Lambda symbol, and I used the Nordic letters because I just thought it would be a cool way of fusing Greek mythology and Nordic mythology together. So I don't think I ever showed you guys what the back of the cover looks like. So let me just show it to you real quick. So this is what it looks like. So we have the LED display over here at the top. And then I just have some LED lights, which I channeled around the cover. So yeah. Alright, so the reason why we're doing this is because CableMod had a voluntary recall for their 90-degree adapters. So we're just replacing it with a right angle one. Let me just take off these ties that I have. So, life update. Life update. I feel like a lot of people are surprised with how much I admire Eve's body and stellar blade. And the reason why that is because I used to lift weights, especially back in the Philippines. And I actually, to be honest, admire her body. Granted, obviously, everyone has a different body type, and some can argue it's like unrealistic body expectations. The thing is, I really do find her body, the more I play the game, I find her body to be actually fit and healthy. She's just very blessed. Yeah, I think we took out all of the cables or all of the ties for the cables. But yeah, just to finish my thought, I feel like she has realistic body standards in terms of that body type. Because I don't have her body type. I'm not blessed. She's blessed. But what I mean by that is that her waist is actually proportionate to the rest of her body, and so are her thighs, and so are her butt. So, I mean, yeah, I just wish I had her body. But, you know, everyone's built differently. Everyone's built beautifully. So, yeah. But anyways, let's talk about a game that's on PC, and that's another game that I'm actually currently addicted to, and that's Destiny 2. So I have been... Wait, let me just pull this out real quick. There we go. Okay, wait. Let me just... I have to be very careful with this because I just don't want it to bump into anything here at the back. I think it would be better if I pull it from the other side actually. So let me just go ahead and turn this. So here it is, taking out the voluntary recalled 90-degree adapter. Actually, it's a 180, it's not a 90. So let's replace it with this. Rough. If you guys, sorry. So I'm dog sitting for my friend right now. And his name is Kevin, the dog's name is Kevin. My friend's name is Jean and Nathan. So Kevin actually is a French bulldog, and he has a flat face. I actually can't give you food because your dad says you vomited out. Did you drool? No, there's nothing in here. Ay nako. Stop it. All right. We're going where no man has been to before. If you guys hear like random snorts, coughs, it's Kevin. Oh my God. Hi. You made me lose my focus, Kevin. All right, so. Got it. I got it. So I was able to shoot one end of this cable here at the back. I don't want to let go because I still haven't really caught it with my other hand. So wait, give me a moment. Breathe. I see the head. Push. Push. Oh, there we go. Boy, you look so cute. He got it out. It's a boy. Okay, let me just... All right, so we're gonna go through the same path that the original cable went through, which is down here. We did it! It's time to just plug it in. There. And we're done. FYI, I'm going to be doing this outro with Kevin beside me. So if you guys hear any random snort, that's him right here. Maybe you could do a count or something. But, all right, so that ends us replacing the power cable for the graphics card. I'm sorry, I'm also gonna get really distracted with the noise. Hold on, I'm gonna hold my mic to him just so you guys have an idea of what I have to deal with. Oh, he ate the microphone. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Oh my God, Kevin's so... Oh my God, your drool. Oh, he